sleeps right next to my girlfriend. That's my girlfriend's dog. That's Kincaid. He's a fucking meathead. Hi, meathead. Hi, fathead. I know, you waiting for your friend to come out, huh? What's going on, fathead? Look, he's getting all revved up. He is a freaking Brutus, man. This dog right here does backflips in the freaking backyard and goes swimming. That dog goes swimming with a life jacket on and will chase your ass around in the pool. Watch. Let me show you the pool area. This is funnier than hell. Look. Right down there. God, I can't wait for summer. It's going to be on and cracking. There's a barbecue down there. And look at... Can you guys see that? Look at... You can see my neighbor's yard over there too. But that dog will chase you all around that pool down there. Funnier than hell. Look at... Naya's getting freaking big. I'm going to start running around a treadmill pretty soon. That's me. Look at my abs are starting to come in. I train my ass off all winter long. And this year, I'm going to go compete in mixed martial arts, grappling and submission. Later, dude.